want to heal from any disease, you want all fruit in the morning, lunchtime, a salad, nuts and seeds, stuff like that. And then dinner time, if you're still transitioning, it's alright to cheat a little bit as you're getting into it. But as time goes on, you're eating all that good stuff, you're going to find yourself not even wanting the bad stuff. It just takes time for your body to get on that level. So
You're rock and roll, living the dream, super excited, right?
yeah,
Living the dream.
I would say 70% fruit. Rest
Damn, I would say that's 70-80% fruit.
Yeah, and rest.
You had a serious illness, right?
Yeah, 3 years in bed.
3 years in bed.
I got better here.
You got better
4 months.
in 4 months.
So, he's
What do
got
you think about that?
You gotta let go of all the Snickers bars, Oreos, Gushers. Anything in a box that's been through a man-made high heat process is all dead food. It's just dead matter. All it is toxins going through your body.
Young man, are you taking notes? Hey, young man over there, you taking notes?
So yeah, that's pretty much it.
It's not a young man that's taking notes, right? You taking notes of what he said?
Taking notes. I missed the last bit of information. What happened?
Anyway, this is Life from Arnold's Way. Bye.